Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you are seeing my video, please like, comment and share with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification symbol. We are going to see about the strength of material unit 1, chapter 1, statics of particles. Today topic is solution for problem class 5. If you want to see my previous videos, please visit my channel and see all the videos and like and subscribe my channel. Solution for problem 5. The resultant of two forces. We have here a resultant of two forces. The forces are P and Q given in the diagram and the resultant is given. The resultant is 1500. So R equal to 1500 Newton. And the angle between the two forces. The angle between the two forces P and Q is 90 degree. In the diagram I shown that P and Q is in 90 degree. And the resultant makes an angle of 36 degree with all the forces. So the resultant is made between P and R is 36 degree. Find the magnitude of each force. So we have to find the magnitude of each force P and Q. So given data is resultant R equal to 1500 Newton and angle between the two forces alpha is 90 degree and direction of resultant theta is 36 degree. To find magnitude of forces P and Q. Solution for this problem is we have to take the formula of direction of resultant theta. So tan theta equal to q sin alpha divided by p plus q cos alpha. We have to substitute the value of theta and alpha here. So tan 36 degree equal to q into sin 90 divided by p plus q cos 90. The value of tan 36 is 0.726 and sin 90 is 1. So 1 into q becomes q. And cos 90 is 0, 0 into q is 0, 0 plus p is p. So q divided by p. Now I transfer the p from right side to left side, it becomes into multiply. So 0.726 into p equal to q. Now I take the value of q is 0.726 p. It becomes the equation 1. And now take the formula of magnitude of resultant. R equal to root p square plus q square plus 2pq cos alpha. The value we have to substitute the value of R and q and alpha here. So value of R is 1500. The value of q is 0.726p and the value of alpha is 90 degree. Now see cos 90 is 0. The multiplication of 0 is anything with 0 is 0. So the whole bracket becomes 0 and the square root, I transfer the square root to the left side, so it becomes the square. So 1500 square equal to p square plus 0.726 p whole square plus 0. Now I square the 0.726, so it becomes 0.527 p square. Now we see p square plus 0.527 p square becomes 1.527 p square. So now I transfer the 1.527 from the right to the left, it becomes divide. So 1500 square divided by 1.527 equal to p square. Now I transfer the square to the left side, so it becomes square root. So p equal to square root of 1500 square divided by 1.527. So the value will be p equal to 1213.86 Newton. Now I am going to substitute the value of p in equation 1. The equation 1 is q equal to 0.726 into p. Now I substituting the value of p, so it becomes 0.726 into 1213.86. Now the value of q is 881.26 Newton. So final result is the magnitude of forces p equal to 1213.86 Newton and q is 881.26 Newton. If you like this video, please subscribe, and if you have any doubt, please make it in comment. I will reply for that. We will see in next video. Thank you friends.